Welcome back to our channel, Just a Little Food. Hi, I'm Patty and this is Ray. In this episode, we're going to the dark side. Not that dark side, this dark side. Today, we're going to be making chocolate pudding. Today we'll be making chocolate pudding with only 4 ingredients: chocolate, flour, butter and eggs. So let's begin. We're going to use a water bath to melt the chocolate. So we're going to put 235 grams of dark chocolate into the bowl. So I'm just melting it. I'm gonna have a little snack. Yummy. No! My chocolate! Yummy. So we have here half a cup of flour, 100 grams of melted butter, and 2 lightly beaten eggs. Looks great. And gently fold. Until it's all combined. So lightly grease the mold so the chocolate doesn't stick. Now I'm going to pour the chocolate into the mold. Look at that. What a pro. So we are just going to put in some milk chocolate in the middle to make a gooey center. So we're just going to place that on the baking tray and put it in the oven at 200 degrees Celsius for 10 to 15 minutes. So it's just come out of the oven, nice and hot. Now I'm going to tip it onto the plate. Don't burn yourself because it's really hot. Voila! Look at that. Let's see the magic. Oh, look at that. How good does that look, guys? Chocolate pudding. Yummy. My own. Got my own. Oh, yum. Oh, look at that. Oh, it's so good. Hot. Yum. I hope you enjoyed this episode of Just a Little Food. Please subscribe below and click the like button. Oh, Ray, you have chocolate all over your hands. Go clean up.